In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text over an image in Mailerlite. This is a really handy design trick when you want your emails to look more polished, like a banner with a headline right on top of a photo or a call to action written directly on an image. We'll walk through the process step by step, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you get a clean, readable result. Once you're inside the Mailerlite email editor, start by adding an image block to your layout. On the left-hand side, in the content sidebar, look for the image block. Click and drag that block into your email where you want the image to appear. You can place it at the top as a hero image, in the middle of the content, or wherever it best fits your design. After you drop the block into place, you'll see options to upload or select an image. Go ahead and either upload a new image from your computer or choose one from your existing file manager. Pick something that has enough empty space or a simple background if you know you'll be adding text on top. That makes it much easier to read later. With your image now in the email, look at the sidebar where the settings for that image are displayed. You should see an Edit Image option, usually represented by a small pencil icon. Click that pencil icon to open Mailerlite's built-in image editor. This is where you'll add and style your text. Inside the image editor, find and select the text tool. When you click it, a text box will appear on your image. Click inside that box and type the text you want to display. This could be a headline, a short phrase, or a call to action. Keep it concise so it doesn't overwhelm the design. Once your text is in place, you can customize the style. Adjust the font, size, color, and alignment so it stands out against the background. If your image is dark, consider using light-colored text. And if your image is light, use a darker color. You can also move the text box around until it sits in a spot that's easy to read and visually balanced. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save in the Image Editor. Mailerlite will apply those changes and return you to the main email editor, with your image now displaying the text directly on top. From there, you can continue designing the rest of your email, knowing your image and text are combined into one clean, eye-catching element.